Hyderabad's vibrant urban landscape has been reshaped by the Shivalik Group's innovative designs and sustainable projects, redefining modern living in the city. Leading this transformation is the dynamic force, Mr. Taral Shah, the visionary behind Shivalik Group's remarkable success. Let's talk about Taral Shah and learn about the journey that changed urban spaces and set new standards in real estate.
I'm Taral Shah, Managing Director of Shivalik Group. I'm looking for the expansion of the company. So we are in a lot of verticals like residential, commercial, industrial. Recently we have launched AIF. We are into furniture and interior business as well. So it's not only about real estate, we are an ecosystem of real estate. My father started real estate in 1998 in fact, and earlier the business was in stock market. In 2003 I joined the business, and the struggle was nobody was the engineer in my family, nobody was in technical background, so I could not learn from my family, and I had to learn from the engineers which we deployed.
So we both brother, me and Taral, who is a part of the entire ecosystem and who have the vision overall from team doing the same with the better and refined way to create a better and bigger ecosystem to operate the quality lifestyle of our customer with our investor who can get a better and better ROI.
Under Mr. Shah's leadership, Shivalik Group has flourished, setting new benchmarks in the industry.
Real estate and risk, it's always together. So you cannot grow your business without any risk. Each project challenging in real estate in terms of sales, in terms of government approvals, in terms of design. So जो शिवालिक के जो आज तक के 80 प्रोजेक्ट बनाए हम लोगों ने, वो सब में कुछ ना कुछ चैलेंज आई थी और सब में से हम लोग बाहर निकल के जो आज ग्रोथ किया है, एंड सब प्रोजेक्ट से हम लोगों ने कुछ ना कुछ सीखा कि इसको कैसे बेटर करेंगे, इसको कैसे ये बिज़नेस को, या एक साथ हम लोग 10 प्रोजेक्ट कर रहे हैं तो 10 की जगह 15 प्रोजेक्ट कैसे कर सकते हैं. सो जो चैलेंज भी आई थी वो चैलेंज नहीं लेके हम लोगों ने ऐसा सीखा कि दैट्स एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू स्केल अवर बिजनेस.
Shivalik Group's journey is marked by innovation and excellence.
जो भी सिटी के अंदर आता है उसका माइंड फ्रेम जो चेंज होता है वो सिटी के बिल्डिंग से होता है. एंड वी वर द top 3 developers in Ahmedabad. So we thought if we cannot change our skyline, who else can change the skyline? In 2023 we launched our first project in Gift City, that is Shivalik Skyview, and we sold that in 15 days. The entire project was sold in 15 days, and that was the achievement, and we got the confidence that if we can deliver or if we can showcase product which is customer friendly, which is price friendly, and after that we launched our 3 projects.
The Shivalik Group is worth hundreds of millions of dollars, but Mr. Shah believes that his team is his greatest asset.
The thing Shivalik is most proud about is their people. A lot of our people, lot of our employees are working with us from more than 3 decades. Even a few people are working with us when even we did not started real estate business. So they are working with us for more than 30-35 years. So our people is our strength, and because of them we are here and we are achieving new targets.
If I can say about the Alsa, is the backbone of our company. Our vision, like if we thought anything, we talk about the building design, building structure, if we need part of the interior, we think, and he's the person who fulfill our things. He's the person who always believes in his people, his employees, family.
अब जितने भी अभी आइकॉनिक और डिजाइन्स में खूबसूरत बिल्डिंग जो देख रहे हो उसका बैकबोन तरल शायद है.
तरल भी की एक खूबी भी है, वो कभी भी कोई भी एम्प्लॉय को कोई भी काम करने में ये सपोर्ट देते हैं कि यू कैन डू इट. हर एक एम्प्लॉय तरल भी से बहुत इंसिस्ट करता है, और मेरा पर्सनली मैं बात करूँ कि मुझे आप 20 साल से ऊपर हो गए, मगर शिवालिक में मेरा आइकॉनिक तरल सरी है.
worth always doesn't come with the money. Today we are one of the best developer of Ahmedabad, and people know us. We are creator of the skyline of Ahmedabad, and we are changing skyline. So that words are enough for us. In terms of money or financial situation is not important. It is important, but the satisfaction of the projects, what we do, that's important for us.
Sustainability is more than a buzzword for Shivalik Group. It's a core philosophy.
So why we are a green company? Because I personally feel that planet don't need us. We need planet. I felt that in 2018, and we started our entire green journey on this thought process that if we can give something back to society, by next decade, if you are the not sustainable company, you will face a lot of challenges. So we started this journey, and we are going ahead with more sustainable practices.
But Mr. Shah's vision doesn't stop there. Exciting new ventures are always on the horizon.
Shivalik Group's plan in the future is we are creating ecosystem of real estate. So real estate, the way we used to do earlier, it will not be the same business. So we are upgrading ourselves, and we are also doing a lot of integrations of our core business, and which our customer can get the benefit. They get everything under one roof.
Mr. Shah's leadership and foresight continue to inspire and drive progress. Behind every success lies an inspiration and a clear vision.
See, there are two inspirations. One is always my father, and second one is Gautam Adani, because the growth which the entire company and he did in last 20 years, that itself is an achievement. So current goal of 2024 is 10 million square feet of construction at a time is the short-term goal, and the long-term goal is to become a global company.
Mr. Shah's pride in his company and his forward-thinking outlook are evident.
I really want what we did in Ahmedabad, if we can achieve that at national level, and we can give impact and make good buildings at the bigger cities of India. That is the dream what I really looking for. And for next generation, I say be in the business and be for a long time, not quit, and always give your best shot and work hard.
With a vision for sustainable development and a relentless pursuit of excellence, Mr. Taral Shah and the Shivalik Group are building a brighter, greener future for all.